Okay, so we saw previously that the current out of our main supply is alternating current. That means it's changing size and direction. Okay, so in the UK, our alternating current is 50 hertz frequency. That means it's changing direction 50 times every second. Okay, and our average voltage is 230 volts. Now, if you go to some other countries, you might have slightly more voltage or slightly less, but we have 230 volts average as our main supply. If we look inside the cable itself, we have a 3-core cable which is made out of 3 wires. Okay, so what's inside these cables? So first of all, we've got the plastic layer on the outside. That's because it's a good insulator, so it stops you from getting electrocuted. And then we've got the most important wire, which is a live wire. Okay, that's 230 volts, so it's dangerous, so don't touch that one. And it's basically carrying the current, and if you touch it, you will get shocked. So how I remember the colors is that if it's brown, well, basically if you touch it, you're going to poop your pants. So don't touch that one. Okay, then we've got the neutral wire, which is 0 volts, and basically that just carries the current back to the power supply and it completes the circuit. Okay, it could also be dangerous, so don't touch that one as well. Okay, and then we've got the earth wire. Now this is for safety, and it's not present in all circuits or all appliances, but it's there. If it is present, it's just there for safety. And of course the wire itself, the inside of the wire, is made from copper because copper is a really good conductor. Okay, so let's look at the socket. So if we've got a socket, we've got 3-pin sockets like this, and if we zoom in inside, we've got a setup like this. So let's look at that. Okay, so the pins are made out of brass. Okay, this is because brass is strong and it's a good conductor. So if you pull on this or hit it too accidentally, it won't bend. Okay, the inside we've got, first of all, we've got the live wire, and the live wire is connected to the fuse, and that's very important because remember the live wire is a dangerous one, and if the current through the live wire is too large, so in this case if it's bigger than 13 amps, then the fuse wire will melt and it will stop the current from flowing in the circuit. Then we've got the neutral wire, which is 0 volts, okay, and that just completes the circuit and takes the current back to the power supply, to the main supply, sorry. And then we've got the earth wire, and that's there for safety. Remember, the earth wire is yellow with green stripes, like as shown in the diagram here. And then we've got the cable itself, and you have to hold the cable in place using this cable grip. So if someone accidentally tugs the cable, it won't just pull all the live wire and the neutral wire and all that out of the places where they joined inside the socket. Now some appliances actually, they don't have an earth pin, they just have this plastic one instead, and also they only have 2-core cables, they don't even have an earth wire. And these are special appliances where you might find this symbol. This symbol here means double insulated. That means the outside of this appliance is made out of plastic, so actually doesn't need an earth wire because it's very unlikely you'll get shocked if something goes wrong inside it. So just watch out for these, and we'll look at these in more detail next lesson.